guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video I will be doing a updated what's in my Samsung Galaxy S8. Yay! I'm so excited and so happy to be doing this video because I just put a new theme on my phone and it's so cute. So let's just get into the video. So this is how my phone looks like. This is the animated unicorn right here. It has ice cream cones, a macaroon, shooting star, and a lollipop. And the unicorn looks so pretty and cute. And it just has this bow at the top right here with a little bell. This is how the lock screen looks like. And it's just really girly. So you just go to Samsung themes and you go to the bottom and where it says themes and you search up unicorn themes. I also will mention the title of what it's called. It's called Lovely Unicorn by CoguL Planet, and it shows you how it will look, and you can also preview it for a couple minutes on your phone. This also comes with an image iris scanner. So this is how the iris scanner looks like. It's so pretty. It just has like rainbow and clouds and stars, and so this is how my home screen looks like. It just has the same unicorn on a rainbow cloud and a rainbow up here. And this is the overview of the phone, like this. So, okay, so pretty much I have the theme applied to the whole phone. I did add the same sparkly wallpaper. Now that is from this application, this app called Glitter Free Glitter app. And I just pretty much, what I did was I took a screenshot of this image right here, and then I applied it with the sparkles on the app because I couldn't figure out how to leave the same theme going on with the sparkles. So that's what I did. So I pretty much opened up the glitter app, and for the background image, I just applied my screenshot. For my icons, I did have the kawaii icons. I did have them downloaded from Zedge. So from the icons right here, I did keep some of them, but I also changed some of them, like these down here. These are part of the application, so I just left my phone, contacts, and messages with what it came with. But unfortunately, some of them didn't have the same cute little icons, like the Facebook one and like the YouTube and the Snapchat. They only had like the standard applications. That's why I left it like that. So these, like up here, camera, gallery, email, settings, they all have the icon of the theme. So that's how I did that. So I really love how this one right here is like pink. It's really cute. Let's look at the calendar. I have not looked at it. Oh my gosh, so cute. So it just has a rainbow with clouds. I really like how it looks when you click on your email and you want to save an email. It will show up as a purple macaroon. This is how it looks when you swipe up. So I just added like little hearts, just pretty much cute emojis to my names of the, I don't know what it's called, of the folders, like that. And it pretty much changes each of the icons. It has this border around it, so that's really cute. And here are more applications and how they look. Now let's look at the apps. So this is how your phone will look like when you press that, and the numbers like a purpley color. And for contacts, this is how your contacts look. It turns your contacts like with colors, and it has the rainbow here with the clouds, and like the whole background looks like that. I love it. So this is how my messages look like. It's so pretty. This is my favorite part. It has the rainbow right here, the clouds, and for those that are not saved on your contacts, it adds a really cute image. This is a shooting star and a cloud. How the messaging looks like. It just has the background like this. And this is how my keyboard looks like. It's really nice, really cute. It has the rainbow again, and pink and purple messaging. Yours is purple, theirs is yellow. Gallery will look like this with like the rainbow and clouds at the top. The settings will look like this with like the same background. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.